teach you guys is adding the point. Why we adding the point? So when you go to direct selection tool, you select it, okay. Let's say I will need one more point to do more curve. So how are we gonna do that? You will go to your pen tool, okay, again, and click anywhere, okay. Of course, you see, click on that, and then pen tool. With that pen tool, whenever I go over the path, you see what happens is plus signs comes. That means I'm adding one more point. You see those legs? With that, I can have a more control maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I don't want it. So I will go. You see that's minus? It will delete that point. Delete it. If you want, I can delete this too, but it's, as you see, it messes up. So I will go Control Z. Okay. So click on that. Basically, what you will do is go to Path. Okay. Say make selection. Okay. But before that, let's do this. Create one more layer. This is the plus sign. If you never use Photoshop, that plus makes one more layer. Okay. And I will fill that white because we want white, remember? White. Okay. You are in the white layer now. Now you will go to, okay, you will go to your original layer, okay. You will go to path. While path is highlighted, you will say make selection. Okay, usually I put this 0.2, okay, and this is the setting. Say okay. Now I will copy it. Okay, you can copy this way, or you can go, you know how to copy from the your cut here. You can copy, edit, go to edit, make a copy, or you can do the Shift C copy. Okay, and I will put this here. Okay, I will create one more layer. Remember, I copied that, right? And I'm gonna say banana. Okay, and I will paste that banana right here. There you go. You see? Now I have that banana. Okay, beautiful. What I'm going to do is I will make this smaller. If you go to corner, you can make smaller. If you don't see this blue frame, the reason is show transform controls is unlocked. You see? I'm in lock. It's not visible. So as soon as I can still move this around, but I cannot see the dimensions. Okay? If this is not checked, I can even go to layer. Okay? Anyway, so auto select has to be on and show transform controls supposed to be on. So I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Okay. And if you want, you can rotate it. So I rotate it. Okay. And I will go select, layer style, drop shadow, and drop shadow will be black. Preview is on, and I will put on this 90 degree. Okay, Distance will be something like that. I put 42, maybe more. Spread will be 0. Size, I'm putting not bad. That's good, but opacity was too high. I think something like that is not bad. Okay. When you put shadow, unfortunately, Photoshop is not smart enough putting that shadow everywhere. But if this is on the table, guys, shadow is just on the bottom part, right? So how are we gonna do that? All you have to do is duplicate that layer, okay? And top layer, put the shadow just like that to the trash. So top layer doesn't have a shadow. Add banana. I'm gonna rename it banana, not the copy, and I'm gonna name this one shadow. Okay, and I will unselect this one because I don't want to see it. I want to see on the shadow one, and I will go to lasso tool. Okay, and I will select. I'm just guessing, guys. Here, maybe here. I don't want shadow in that higher part, so I will delete it. As you see, it's deleted the whole banana, but it's in the shadow. Okay, so when I click on this, shadow will be only in the bottom. Watch. Oh. This more logically, I think maybe here we should have a little shadow too, but it's okay. Something like that is acceptable. So we did this. Let's put, as you see, this is the chain, is the link. I'm linking together, so wherever it is, it is. Okay. So now, while selecting both of them with the shift click, I will duplicate that and make it this one smaller. And I'll make this sending the behind in the layer. You see? This look like the duplicate. So what I can do is I can make this image transform, flip horizontal. So as you see, guys, I'm like faking this imaginary second banana. It's the same thing, but because it's behind and a little further, it looks smaller, but they are the same size. So I set up kind of the visual. Okay, so this is ready. That's it. Okay, so next part video will be giving them hue, making them grayscale, stuff like that. Okay, but this was the major part. Please go over and then do everything what I did here. Thank you. See you in the next video.